Hey there, political enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into the escalating political drama unfolding in Zimbabwe. Let's break it down. President Emmerson Mnangagwa recently issued a direct warning to his deputy, Vice President Chiwenga, and his allies. The warning came during a tense Central Committee meeting, with Mnangagwa making it clear that any attempts to challenge his position would not be tolerated. This comes as speculation grows that Chiwenga might be gearing up for a leadership challenge beyond the 2028 elections. It's a high-stakes political showdown between two men who once stood united to oust longtime leader Robert Mugabe. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga's alliance was a powerful force in Zimbabwean politics, but now they're locked in a bitter power struggle. The tension between these two heavyweights isn't just about personal ambition. It's symptomatic of deeper issues within Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party. Mnangagwa emphasized the importance of loyalty and adherence to party principles, hinting that he might take action against Chiwenga's supporters if necessary. This sets the stage for a potentially explosive ZANU-PF conference in Bulawayo, where insiders predict a crucial showdown that could reshape the country's political landscape. But this isn't just a story about two politicians. It's also about the broader political climate in Zimbabwe. The nation is grappling with significant challenges, including a struggling economy, illegal car imports, human trafficking, and governance issues. Amidst this backdrop, Mnangagwa's call for innovation and resilience among citizens highlights the complex and multifaceted nature of the country's struggles. Let's not forget the influential role of the military in Zimbabwean politics. General Constantino Chiwenga, the army chief, has made it clear that the military will not stand by if the internal purges within ZANU-PF continue. This adds another layer of complexity and potential instability to an already volatile situation. Chiwenga's stance is a reminder of the military's enduring influence in Zimbabwe's political arena. He stressed that the removal of key figures who participated in the independence struggle, like Mnangagwa, would not be tolerated. This internal conflict within the ruling party is not just a power struggle, it's also impacting the country's progress and economic conditions. Meanwhile, Grace Mugabe, supported by the younger Generation 40 group, has been openly critical of Mnangagwa, further complicating the political dynamics. Her ambitions and criticisms add fuel to the fire, making the political landscape even more unpredictable. In summary, the rivalry between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga is more than just a clash of egos. It's a reflection of the broader tensions and challenges facing Zimbabwe today. As the political landscape continues to evolve, the stakes are high, and the outcome of this power struggle could have far-reaching implications for the future of the country. Thanks for tuning in, and stay sharp, political enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on global politics. Until next time, take care and stay informed.